So Huawei in its latest Huawei Developer Conference announced 6 new products including 2 smartwatches, 2 new earbuds and new Huawei MateBook laptops. What we are interested in is the smartwatch, specifically the Huawei Watch Fit. It provides reliable fitness tracking, excellent battery life and good performance. It has many features in common with the equally new Watch GT2 Pro, but is much more affordable. Now technically speaking, Huawei already launched the Watch Fit prior to its latest Huawei Developer Conference. However, that event covered just one market, and that's the United Arab Emirates. Now however, the new fitness focused wearable has more global availability and cost details. So without waiting anymore, let's get started. Speaking about its design, the wearable has a weird look. It's like a stretched out watch with a big rectangular display. The smartwatch has a durable polymer fiber body with a single physical button on the side with a sporty silicone strap. And despite its size, the wearable according to Huawei is thin and light, weighing only 21 grams without strap and 31 grams with strap. About its display, the smartwatch comes with an amazing 1.64-inch AMOLED display which helps in displaying more content and a better interaction experience. The display has an auto brightness adjustment, it also supports always on display and it's protected by a tempered glass 2.5D curved glass screen. And one more thing guys, it comes with over more than 130 different watch faces. Under the hood, the Huawei Watch Fit is packed with sensors. It has 6-axis IMU sensor, optical heart rate sensor, capacitive sensor, ambient light sensor and GPS plus GLONASS. The smartwatch has at least 4 gigs of storage and it has Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. Now coming to fitness tracking, the Huawei Watch Fit tracks 96 different activities including 11 professional workout modes that cover the likes of running, walking, cycling and swimming. Most strikingly, the Watch Fit is the company's first smartwatch to feature an animated personal trainer that covers 12 workout courses including up to 44 posture demonstrations. So you never have to lose your form if you intend to start working out by yourself. As for features, aside from heart rate monitoring, the smartwatch also supports SpO2 and female physiological functions. You can also track your sleep with its advanced sleep tracking technology, Trust Sleep 2.0. You also get instant notification with its message reminder, call reminder, calendar events and social app notifications. Additional functions include music player, remote control capture, weather, alarm, timer, stopwatch and flashlight. It is also water resistant up to 50 meters. As for battery, the Huawei Watch Fit has at least 10 days of normal usage, 7 days of battery life in heavy usage and 12 hours in GPS mode. So finally coming to price and launch, the OEM has confirmed that it will cost €129. And at this price, the Huawei Watch Fit is pretty comparable to a lot of other fitness trackers and smartwatches, like the Fitbit Charge 4 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 to the currently discontinued Huawei Watch GT2e. And this watch will go on sale later in September. So what are your thoughts about this watch? Do let me know via comments, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.